In this video, we're going to learn how to use balance. This is a balance. It needs to be plugged in. The plugs have GFCI, so make sure it's powered up. Then there's a little bubble in there. The bubble needs to be in the center of the ring. You can adjust the pads at the bottom of the feet of the stand to make the bubble go in the center of the scale. Then you take your weigh boat, you push this red button for power, you wait for it to say 0.00, then you put the item on the scale. You push Z for 0. That'll subtract the weight out of the scale. See, now it says 0.00. So again, there's the red button, the Z for 0, and notice there's the circle inside the middle of the bubbles inside the middle of the circle. Then you can weigh your item by using a scupula. So you put your weight on there, and then you record the mass. So this would be 0.73 grams. You don't round, put it out whatever it says. Running low. We don't want to contaminate the stem. So you're going to take off the top very carefully, and you're going to hold on to the stem, but you're going to refill it from this jug that says distilled water. So you hold on to this. You don't want that straw to get contaminated. And then you're going to fill up your DI water bottle from here. So you'll turn it on. Make sure you don't spill. If you spill, clean it up right away with a paper towel. Just fill it up to the line on the side that says deionized water, and then turn it off. And then put the straw back in the deionized water without getting it contaminated. So again, if it drips or spills any on the floor, clean it up right away. If you spill, clean it up right away. We don't use our hands, we get a paper towel. And we can scoop it right into the garbage can. So bring the garbage can right up there and just sweep it right into the garbage can. You may need to use a damp paper towel and then another dry paper towel. But clean up all spills, even if it's just water, right away. We have the buffet table. We have our bromoprimal blue. You can see that if this is where they go, we only have 4. So you take it, use it, and bring it right back. Same with the mortar and pestle. It's used for crushing up things. We have 4 out. You hold it like this in your hand, and then you put it in and stir the object. Normally you'd use 2 hands to do that. 1 hand to hold the bowl, and then you grind it up. It's for grinding up fine powders. Mortar and pestle. You get your gloves. Right now the medium and larges are latex. So if you are sensitive to latex, these are not latex. They're nitrile, the extra large. There are some wipes for your goggles right here, but none of this area is a garbage can. So please make sure your trash gets in the garbage can. The lab aprons and goggles are here by the fire blanket. You can feel free to clean off your goggles. Have a friend tie your apron. There are a couple of extra large aprons for those who are very tall. Generally, the goggles that do not have orange are for people who wear prescription glasses first.